Hello everyone, so in this video I want to show you the experiment of determining pH of household substances using several pH indicators. So let me introduce myself. My name is Christopher from Ten Science 1 and I'm from Tunas Bangsa Christian School Gading Serpong academic year 2021-2022. Okay, so the aim of the experiment, this activity is designed to make a natural indicator and classify household substances as acid or bases using pH indicator. A pH indicator is a chemical compound that is added to small amounts of the solution so that the pH or acidity or alkalinity of the solution can be determined easily by testing common household substances using nature indicator, litmus paper, and universal indicator paper. Students will understand the pH level of some substances. Okay, so before we start, we should know the definition related to acid and base. Okay, so acid-base reaction is a chemical reaction between an acid and a base. The products of such a reaction are salt and water. This reaction may also be regarded as a neutralization reaction. In daily life, acids and bases play a role in everything from digestion of the foods you eat to the function of the medicine you take and even the cleaning products you use. Without acid and bases, many of the products in your home today will not have much use. Okay, so next, pH is a scale of acidity from 0 to 14. It tells how acidic or alkaline a substance is. More acidic solutions have lower pH. More alkaline solutions have higher pH. Substances that are acidic or alkaline, that is a neutral solution, usually have a pH of 7. Acids have a pH that is less than 7. Alkali have a pH that is greater than 7. There are many types of pH indicator such as litmus paper, universal indicator, and etc. Okay, so this is the video of apparatus, material, and procedure video. Okay, so this is the ingredient. So there are chopping board, strainer, hot water, red litmus paper and universal indicator, rice vinegar, detergent, vitamin C, water, blue litmus paper, red onion, spoon and knife. Okay, so first try how to make a neutral indicator from red onion. Okay, so first wash and chop a fresh red onion into small dice. So chop it. Okay. Okay, so next, place the slice of onion into glass and pour a glass of 200 milliliter of hot water into a glass containing red onion. Wait for about 5 minutes. Okay, so next filter the onion water drain after 5 minutes and take the liquid of it. So red onion water is red in acidic solutions and violet in neutral solution and green in basic solutions. Okay, so next, testing pH level. Okay, so the first one is crush the solid substance and add water so it turns into liquid substance like vitamin C and detergent. So next, we test the pH using the litmus paper and the universal indicator and record into the result table. So we see the litmus paper and the universal indicator of substances. Okay, so next we pour the red onion water to each substance. But wait, why does not change? We see later.
Wait a minute!
Yeah, the color does not change after we use the red onion water.
Oh
Okay, so this is the real red onion. So before is, I think it is a shallot. Okay, so try with the real red onion. Okay, so the steps are the same like the beginning. Chop the small dice. Okay, so next we pour into the we pour hot water like 200 milliliter to the glass of onion water and wait for 5 minutes. Then we filter the uh, red onion water and take the liquid one. So then we test again. If there's red and green and yellow, colorless, but it's supposed to be water is violet and vitamin C is supposed to be red. Okay, so we see next. Okay, so based on the video before and I have see the indicator. Okay, so the rice vinegar, the blue litmus paper changed into red and red litmus paper stays red. So the substance of the rice vinegar changed into red after it added with the red onion water. So the pH level using the universal indicator is pH 3 and it is acid. So next is the detergent. So the blue litmus paper stays blue, the red litmus paper change into blue, the substance of the detergent change into green after added the red onion water. So next the pH level is 12 pH 12 and it's alkali. So next with vitamin C, so the blue litmus paper changes into red, the red litmus paper stays red, the red onion water, so this vitamin C substance stays yellow but it's supposed to be red. Okay, so the pH level is pH 3 and it's acid, and the last one is water. So the first one, the blue litmus paper stays blue and the red litmus paper stays red, and it stays colorless after it added with the red onion water. Then the pH level is pH 7 and it is neutral. Okay, so based on the table and the video, the volume of water in vitamin C and the water are too much, and the red onion is too little. Before I take about quarter of the red onion, so the vitamin C and the water can be detected using the onion water or red onion indicator whether they are acidic, neutral or alkali. Okay, so the conclusion is every substance has different types of pH. Either it is an acid, neutral, or a base substance. It can be considered as an acid if the pH of that substance is below 7. The color of the blue litmus paper changes into red. The color of the red litmus paper stays red, and the color of the substance changes to red when the red onion indicator is added. Then it can be considered as a neutral substance if the pH of it is 7. The color of the blue litmus paper stays blue, the color of the red litmus paper stays red, and the color of the substance changes to violet when the red onion water indicator is added. Last, it can be considered as an alkali substance if the pH of it is above 7. The color of the blue litmus paper stays blue, the color of the red litmus paper changes to blue, and the color of the substance changes into green when the red onion water or indicator is added. Okay, so the evaluation, if we do this experiment again, we should decrease the volume of water in the, like, for example, vitamin C or the water one, and increase the red onions to make the indicator accurate. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.